Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Google Pixel 3 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take off the SIM tray, followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle, the Touch ID sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the Touch ID, move the rear cover to the left hand side and then take out the shield by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the connector plug to release the back cover from the body. Next, take out the wireless pad by undoing 5 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and move the adhesive. Next, take out the not working battery. First, loosen the adhesive on the side and then extract the adhesive strip under the battery. Be gentle in this process. Take out the battery and place the new battery with adhesive. Next, connect the battery plug and place the adhesive. Next, place the wireless pad by securing 5 screws. Next, connect the Touch ID plug and secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Google Pixel 3. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.